Those in New York who believe they lost a relative to a wrongful death could soon have more power to sue the accused offender. But the bill to allow the changes in state law has yet to be signed by Governor Hochul.
Alex Love spoke to a mother in Chilai who has championed this legislation and joins us with the impact she feels it could have on New Yorkers. Alex.
So it's called the Grieving Families Act, Adam, which has received bipartisan support in both the Senate and Assembly. Bobby Koval, who lost her son almost 7 years ago in New York City after he was struck by a car at a crosswalk, is calling on Governor Kathy Hochul to give families more options to seek accountability. After hearing the news last year, the Grieving Families Act was on its way to Governor Kathy Hochul's desk. Bobby Koval thought the long fight to save other families the pain hers went through was over, but is surprised the bill has not been signed.
This is a way for our legal system to become less broken and more able to help families that have survived this kind of a tragedy. I just think people should do their jobs, and I thought since it made it to the governor's desk that we were for sure going to see her sign it.
In Koval's case, her son Jack was fatally struck by a car on a crosswalk in New York City, but court records show the driver only got his license suspended. Under the current wrongful death law, the Kovals could not seek any compensation because their son was not financially supporting anyone, but they still had to pay off his lease and funeral costs.
Until we could get either break the lease or a new roommate in, Joe and I, Jack's parents, were paying for $2,500 a month. Expenses to bring Jack home from New York after he was killed. Our memorial services were also expensive.
Under the Grieving Families Act, people would have up to 3.5 years to recover financial damages for a wrongful act by an accused offender who caused their relative's death. The bill has received opposition from those in the insurance and healthcare industry, arguing it will make premiums go up and pass the burden on to customers.
Insurance companies insure the worst drivers with the least liability. A person in the risk pool can only get insured to $25,000. And if you're a negligent driver, your premium should go up. It's okay if the insurance has to go up for bad drivers.
We reached out to the governor's office, who told us the bill has not been signed because they're still reviewing the legislation, but will make a decision when the deadline comes at the end of the month. Adam?
Alex, thanks. Even with this bill in limbo, the Koval family is already in the process of taking legal action against the driver who hit their son as they continue to advocate for safer driving laws involving pedestrians at crosswalks.